Right. A man should correct his friend, humble like good counsel. Rightly. A man should give correction to his friend humbly, good counsel. Rightly. When he does something excessive, even if he doesn't want to hear it, because he who sees his friend failing by staying silent makes him bolder. Both fail in the same judgment, the one who stays silent and the one who does wrong. But I won't hold back, I'll tell you what I think, even if it hurts you. I've read it in a book somewhere. Love, a man shouldn't hold back from saying something, even if it's hard. That brings well-being to the friend who loves. And because I'm your servant, I tell you for certain, the more you find faithful suffering, the more misfortune you get from her. I believe you've got company with the one who must not be named, and with dice that make everyone who dances to their tune suffer. I think you're all brothers there. For God's sake, soften my suffering, my torment, because my lady won't allow it. The one I bear loyal love to, I believe she would want to, but she can't escape your command. You have more power over her than a father has over his son. If I don't enjoy her, I'll tell you openly, your honor's going down the drain. Since a man serves you for nothing, every man should run away. Service gets nowhere if no one pays for it. I could still enjoy her if you gave me a promise. She's the most beautiful of good lineage. Our friend, my hope depends on you, and my business